Yo, welcome back to another episode of Living H Way. We back, man, with a little gift. Excuse me, y'all, I'm a little winded. I just got through my little mile run for today. Y'all make sure y'all get some exercise in. I'm over 40, so I gotta do something to keep the little heart pumping. But let's see what we got here, man. Some pieces came in. Chrome pieces, man. We finna try to throw them on. Oh, yeah, they fit. We trying to match that up a little bit. Put the gloss on gloss, man. Yeah, that gonna look alright there. This camera ain't doing it no justice, but it's a soul touch. Small touch that's gonna yeah, look better than what's on there. I had all type of glue and stuff on there, so we're gonna go from there to that. Yeah, we finna see what we got, man. Got some for all the doors, and we also got the trunk tailgate. That's not a trunk. Got the tailgate too. Of course, it's up under here, but I gotta get that out first. So yeah, man, let me get something set up here, and we catch y'all in a second. Got a little alcohol, do some cleaning. Hopefully these bitches don't fly off. 3-sided tape. I mean, 3M tape. Boy said 3-sided tape. Alright. Yeah. This little tape, I should have used a Thanos snap and just went on and put it on there, but I figured I'd play around for a second. Probably to speed this up for y'all though, cause yeah, just sitting here peeling off tape. Unless y'all just enjoy looking at me. Get in the comment, man. Let me know what's going on. But I'm gonna speed this up. And please believe, if I see this thing fly off, I am pulling over to get it. So if you see me on the side of the road searching for it, just mind your business. Oh yeah. See why the other dude had super glue on it. That don't look too sturdy. Come on, camera, get some just. Y'all see that gloss, man, matching the rim. It's the H-Way Mobile, man. Matching the tent. I might not go back with the window guards or whatever them was. Oh yeah, that look 10 times better. Ah yeah, glossy, glossy. I tried to get those glossy too, but they didn't come in gloss. But that's close enough. We off-road and rugged, man. All right, let's get this other one on. All right, so I just realized that they got me. They just got me, y'all. On the picture, I had 2 with the hole. That's what I ordered. None of these have a hole. I do have a keyhole on my passenger side. Why, y'all? Why? Why, people? So I'm gonna have to try to figure something out. I'm gonna have to put a keyhole on this mug. Alright, we'll get back to y'all in a minute, man. I did not order this. The picture had 2 keyholes. I don't even see a print. Ugh. Living H-Way. Alright, we back. Got my drill. Look like about the right size. If y'all can see. So I'm gonna try to drill this hole right in here without cracking this little piece of plastic. I'm gonna try to do it on the car. Now, I ain't got no way to let y'all see it, so I'll get with y'all in a minute. But y'all know what I'm doing. Alright, I made me a little pre-drill hole. Might have been up a little too high, but fuck it, let's see what we got. Got that hole in there, boy. Let's see what it fit like. I take it. I will take it. Alright, that's that. Alright, we're finna get these 2 on and the one on the other side, and I'll get back to y'all. We gonna see what this do, man. Shit, my whole damn look better than there. That's there, that's mine. Yeah, I'm a little high right here. I got a little, but it works. But yeah, man, y'all be careful when y'all ordering this stuff, cause I specifically looked at the picture, and it had 2 holes on the door handles. But yeah, live and you learn. Party and bullshit. Get back with y'all in a second. Found my camera, man. Way across the street. Damn, my zoom suck. That's my camera, man.
Levels, levels, levels,
I think I need a screwdriver. All right, it's getting dark out here, but we got that off. We're going gloss. Left a lot of mess on it. clean up. I'm always doing so. But yeah. Trying to clean it off a little bit. Mosquitoes out here tonight. You ain't playing. Yeah, might have to do this tomorrow. We dechroming it, man. Dechroming it. If that's a word. It is now. You heard it here first. Living H way. But we dechrome things. I righteous should have just bought another one of these. It worked.
Yeah, Daddy. We're going to the Mania house.
Okay, give me back. Ugh, peanut butter.
Huh?
Peanut butter, ugh.
Yeah.
Alright. Huh? Cotton ball. Yeah, I don't know about that, y'all. That might not be the move. I might have just fucked up. Ooh. I need a black bumper for that. Fuck it. I took the chrome off now. I can't do nothing else. Ooh. Ooh. Hey, I'm about to color match that too, y'all. Fuck it. We're gonna have to paint that. That gotta be painted. God, that shit is ugly. I don't know about that, y'all. This might have to be color matched. Damn. That shit country is hell. I seen it on regular cars though. I don't know why it looks so country right now. Damn. I don't know about that, y'all. I think I'm gonna hope this motherfucker fly off. Yeah. What we gonna do? That ain't too hot. These sides look alright. I can deal with these. But that back, I don't know. Might have should have left the chrome one on. Fuck it, man. Until I can get it color matched, then it is what it is. Ugly. I'll get back with y'all in a minute after I get through crying. This is not the move. Oh boy. I don't know what we're gonna do, cause I ain't feeling that. Y'all get in the comment below, let me know. Is this acceptable? Or do we need to do something different? I mean, I ain't got no choice right now, cause I just took the chrome off and it's ugly. Up under there all ashy. So we definitely finna stick this on here, but if it fly off, I ain't mad. But living H way, man. It's getting dark, getting ate up by mosquitoes. So That's enough for today. Y'all hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Rock with your boy. Living H-Way, man. We just do vlogs of life. Seem like it's taking you down, bye. Alright, man. That shit is ugly. I need some spray paint ASAP or something. And this a pearl. I don't even know if they got spray paint for this. Ooh, that light showing imperfections on that lack too. I need spray. I need to paint everything, man. Truck ain't been painted for 3 years. But I definitely need to get some of this color match. I got spots up here. Gotta get those retouched up. You know, I knew I was gonna have to do that, but this got to be painted. This need to be the same color as the truck. I just hate I got to ride around like this, cause I can't get that painted right now. I might have to make something else happen. Alright, y'all. Let me Man, this shit's so ugly. Alright, y'all, we finna be riding ugly. Fuck it. We ain't got no other choice. Hit the like button, subscribe, and keep rocking with your boy, man. Living H-Way. We'll be back at y'all with another video. Hit the share button too, man, and post notification so y'all know when I'm on this thing and got something loaded up for y'all to watch. Till then, man, we get into these backyard vlogs. This little car content right now. My little car content for what I have. And yeah, man, we rocking. We gonna keep rocking. But this ain't rocking right here. It don't look bad. Man, who am I kidding? That shit look bad. Alright, we gonna do gotta get this paint. Alright, catch y'all later, man. Thank y'all for watching the video. Catch y'all in another episode. Living H-Way. We gone.